Before you hit that upload button, I want you to watch this video. You could actually be making one mistake that is actually affecting your videos. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your videos correctly. And you're going to be doing this like a pro, from optimizing the right settings and every single thing you need to know. So you need to watch this video. And if you're just starting out on YouTube, yeah, I understand sometimes it feels like rocket science to upload your videos. So let's go straight into this video. I'm going to show you how to upload like a pro. And guess what, guys? You can upload with your phone, your laptop, any device. It's all the same process. If you're just starting YouTube and you're wondering how to upload your videos correctly to get the right audience, to get the right retention, and so YouTube can recommend your videos, why not watch this video? So grab your popcorn, let's go straight into the video. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to upload with your smartphone and still upload like a pro. So a lot of creators will tell you upload with your laptop, upload through the dashboard site. All of those are very correct. So you want to click on the plus sign, then it will take you to the video you want to upload. And let's get a video we're going to upload. Let's say we're uploading this video. The next thing you need to do, pay attention, your title. So let's say the title of this video is how to make a video, okay? And remember, you want to add relevant hashtags. So you don't just want to add any type of hashtag, okay? So just add 1 or 2 hashtags is enough for your videos. Don't add too many hashtags. Now for description, always make sure you add your description. Do not leave the description box blank. Let's say this video will help you make success, okay? So this is just an example, and I expect you to make your description simple and detailed enough for the algorithm to understand what you're trying to do. And after that, the next thing, guys, do not forget visibility. So here we have the option for public, and the next one is unlisted, and the next one is private, and this here says schedule. All right, so many persons ask this question a lot. I mean, like, the question keeps coming. Should I publish public? Should I publish unlisted? Should I publish private? Now, this is what I do. I unlist my videos. The reason I unlist these videos, I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So make sure you're watching step by step. So make sure you're keeping this unlisted, because there are so many settings that needs to be optimized before you make your videos public. All right. So that being said, we'll go over to audience. Guys, this audience section is very, very important. You don't want to leave your audience section for kids when you're not making kids video. So always make sure you click this section. No, it's not made for kids. Very important, okay? Now for location, some of us may want to add location. Some persons just leave that blank. All right, so this is Nigeria, and I'm just going to add the location. It just helps to narrow your videos to the people in your location more efficiently. Now for playlist, if you don't have a playlist and you want to know how to create one, you can let me know in the comment section. I already have playlists, a couple of them, so I'm just going to pick 2 or 1 playlist. Just pick playlists related to the video. All right, so this will help to push more of your videos to your audience after watching this particular video, they will still go through your playlist. All right, so it's a good way to accumulate watch hour as a small creator. So here says short remixing. So you want to allow video and audio remixing because you want people to be able to share your videos and make use of your video. And the next one says add paid promotion label. All right, so if your videos is not paid, you don't need to add yes. So this video was not paid, it's not a paid promotion, so I'm just going to say no. All right, now for the comment sections, always make sure your comment section is turned on, guys. Very, very important, so you can get engagement and all of that. So here you can see at the left hand side, this section is for thumbnails. All right, so you want to get a good thumbnail. Let's just use this for example, and I want to add this as my thumbnail. So let's say this is my thumbnail. Okay, now you want to click on upload. Remember, this is unlisted, guys. Remember, we unlisted this. I'm going to show you why you have to unlist it. We are not done. We are not done. So you just want to click on upload. So once you do this, the video will start to process. All right, so while this is processing, I'm going to take you guys to the desktop version of your YouTube studio. Now, this desktop version gives you the opportunity to optimize your videos correctly. So this is where most small creators get it wrong. We just upload with the mobile app and we forget about the dashboard site. So you want to click on YouTube dashboard site. It's going to take you straight to the dashboard site. Okay, so while this is loading, you want to go and make sure that every setting is well optimized. So we're going to click on video. So right here you see the video has been unlisted and uploaded. Remember, it's not public yet, so you have the opportunity to do further editing to this video. So the title is already placed, how to make a video. The description is already placed. For the playlist, that has been checked. Now pay attention. You see this portion that says show more. This is where it all begins. Now for paid promotion, already this video is not a paid promotion, so you don't need to click on that. For altered content, you're going to see here it says, do any of the following describe your content? The first one says, makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. The second one says authored footage of a real event or place. And the third one says generate a realistic looking scene. All of this, just say no if you know you do not have any authored content. Now, for automatic chapters, you want to do this manually because most times YouTube do not really get your chapters correctly. That is for videos that are very lengthy and you want people to watch in chapters. So the next thing we need to look at here, tags. Very important. So you want to add in relevant tags. Tags related to this particular video. So let's say how to make a video. So here you see you're optimizing like a pro. Okay, so you can make the list longer, video, make your tags searchable. All right, so while that is done, here says language and caption certification. So I already have English. All right, now for the recording date and location, here I have Nigeria, that is my country location. So for license, you want to publish to your subscription feed. If you already have subscribers that watch your video, you want to check this setting. Very important. Now, the next setting here is category. Very important. You want to narrow your videos to a particular category. So if it's a comedy video, you want to tell. If it's an education video, you want to tell. If this is an entertainment video, you want to tell as well. So why that being said, for the comment section, it's on already. Great. So we are 90% almost done. We are not done yet. All right. Here we have end screen. Now, this part is very important. As a small creator, you want to add end screen to your videos. You don't want to upload your videos without an end screen. You want viewers to watch. So here there's a section that says best for viewer. If you want to choose a specific video, probably you want your viewers to watch a specific video related to the one you uploaded, this option gives you varieties. Okay, so for this video I'm going to leave it best for viewers. YouTube should just give them what they feel is best for the viewers. So you have the option to upload 2 videos on this section. So you're going to save this after making changes. Now this part says cards. All right, for cards, you want to see some icon that pop up while you're making a video. So you go to the video section, you click on a video. So all of this helps to optimize and help your viewers to get more views on your video. Interesting, right? So let me say I'm going to choose this particular one. So here you see it is showing right here. So you want to save this on your video. Great. So now you can see uploading your video is not just all about copy and paste. There are a lot of settings you need to check. So after doing all of this, you want to save your video. So I'm not going to save this because I'm not trying to upload this particular video right now. So for the purpose of this video, I hope you've been able to understand this basic settings when it comes to optimizing and uploading your videos correctly. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Bye.